Birds. Birds are a kind of animal. Birds can be found all over the world. Sparrows, doves, cardinals, owls, eagles, hawks, chickens, and hummingbirds are some common birds. Birds are vertebrates, so they have backbones. They are the only kind of animal with feathers. Birds lay eggs. Usually, they have a nest for the eggs. Birds have 2 feet and special arms. They don't have hands or fingers. They have flappers or wings. Most birds can fly. Birds have feathers, wings, and very light bones to help them fly. They can't be too heavy. Only a few birds, like ostriches or penguins, can't fly.